welcome back to my channel, Tasty Meal by Stacy. Today we are making a super convenient, easy and delicious dish. Yes, it is going to be a ham and cheese stuffed French bread. But this is not just the typical bread that we sometimes get when we go out or just making a stuffed bread like that. No. This is special. And I'm going to show you guys step by step why it's so special. Not only the way that the bread is going to look like when it's done, but it's the way it tastes. It comes so good because it's going to have a wonderful cilantro and parsley with butter, a hint of salt, and a hint of pepper sauce on top. That is going to create an awesome dish. So let's go ahead and put this dish together. I will show you what we have. Guys, I just wanted to say before we put this dish together, remind you all that have subscribed to my channel and have leave a comment before in any of my videos to please check back on those comments, because I have texted two of you as winners of my little holiday giveaway that I had, and I haven't heard back from you. I cannot say the names, but I have texted you guys through the email and YouTube. Please check it out. Let me know through YouTube email if you got it and respond. So I have a couple questions so we can finish this. If not, if I don't hear from you this week, I will pick two more winners. So just respond, and thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you for supporting my channel. Now let's go ahead and put this dish together. Let's cook. This is a French baguette, but it's the soft one. So I also have 10 ounces of mozzarella cheese. I have 10 ounces of Fiesta blend. We have cheddar cheese, Monterey, and Jack cheese. I have 3 ounces of butter. We have here 10 ounces of ham. This is cooked ham or domestic, whatever way you call it, and depending on where you're from. Some places they call it domestic, some places they call it home ham. The house ham are also cooked. We also have here about 20 grams of cilantro and 30 grams of parsley. This is nice and fresh. I'm going to be grounding that with the butter to make a nice sauce, like a little dipping to put on top. And we also want to be putting a hint, like a quarter of teaspoon of salt and a quarter of teaspoon of pepper. And this dish is super delicious, super easy. I mean, for any day, especially like a Sunday afternoon that you don't feel like cooking too much, but you want something nice and rich because of the filling with the cheese and the ham. And you have the carb right here. So you have the carb and the protein all together. Okay, guys, we're going to start this beautiful dish by start cutting the bread. So we're going to be using a serrated knife. Make sure that this is the kind of knife you have, if you can, because it helps to cut into the bread very nice, and that way you don't mess up, and you know, and the lines will be nice and clean. So we are going to go ahead and just start like this. Go in, but not all the way. You don't want to go all the way down. Just make nice all the way as deep as you can. But you don't want to cut through, okay? Just keep in mind. Okay, beautiful. From there, what we're going to do, we go on the side and we're going to start making little squares, section by section. Just like that. And we're going to go ahead over here. Just beautiful, perfect. Go on the side. This is just beautiful. Look at that. It's perfect. This is what you want. Separate it nice and make sure that the bottom is not cut through. So that's it. Now we're going to work with this beautiful bread. Look at this. We're going to go ahead and start making the filler. To cut the cheese, just go in. Take the slices. You can put it together to make it easy. And we are going to go ahead and cut it in 3. Like this. Take it apart, and then one more. Then from there, you can either cut it in 2, or you can do 3, depending on how much cheese you want in each little square. And that is perfect. That's what we're looking for. Now we have here the ham, so we're gonna go like this. And this is perfect, and this is what we're looking for because we are going to be putting in a piece of cheese and we're gonna wrap it. Okay guys, let's go ahead and start putting the stuffing into the bread. So we're gonna go one at a time, just like this, section by section. Yep, bring it up, go inside just like that. That is normal that the bread start opening because remember you're putting pressure into it, you're putting a stuffing, so that's super normal. I think we're very good. So let me just go ahead and put a teeny mini one right here. Now we're gonna come in with the shredded cheese and just put extra cheese on this. Just go in like that, make sure the cheese goes everywhere. We're just gonna fill that hole right there. Okay, what we're gonna do now is we're gonna make the beautiful sauce or dip that we're gonna be putting in. So this is the parsley, nice fresh parsley. Just take the leaves. We don't want the little stem right there. We wanna make sure we get the softer part. So let's go ahead and speed it up. This is cilantro. As I tell you guys, I'm using about 20 grams of each. There you go. Take the leaves. A quarter of teaspoon of pepper. A quarter of a teaspoon of salt. This is perfect, guys. At this point, I'm just gonna go ahead and pour the 3 ounces of butter. Let's make sure we just mix it well. Look at that. Beautiful. Now we're just gonna go ahead and place some of this beautiful sauce all over. Oh yeah. You can make as much as you want of this sauce, but you don't want to overpower the whole bread and put too much grease into it because then it will be too soggy. But guys, just make sure you put some almost everywhere. What I'm going to do is I'm going to bring it up. We are going to be folding this together. I'm going to start with this side because I want to bring those sides, the broth, closer. And I'm going to put some pressure. Let's just do this right there. Now we bring this side up. Fold it well at the end to hold it together. Nice. Just like that. That should be enough. Hey guys, it's been 15 minutes. Let's check on this baby. Ooh, Lulu. Look at that. Haha. This is looking awesome. So I'm going to open it up right now. And it's going back in for about 4 minutes. Guys, here it is. It's beautiful. I mean, I'm looking at it and I'm like, wow, that looks awesome. And it smells so good. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to take a little piece and try it. I'm going to just pull it from anywhere. Maybe from here. Ooh, it's so cheesy. Look at this. Ooh. Let's try it. Wow. It's awesome. I hope you guys try it and enjoy as much as me and my husband will. I know he will because it's so good. Please don't forget to subscribe, to like and share my videos. And I will see you on the next video. God bless. Let's eat.